Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the Realme GT60 device versus OnePlus 11R. The OnePlus 11R which has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor comparison with the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor from the Realme GT60 device. So let's see the quick comparison guys regarding the overall speed. So what you can actually expect regarding the both phones in terms of the speed test comparison. So OnePlus 11R versus Realme GT60 device. That's what I'm going to do the quick speed test using these 10 games with both phones. So let me try to clear everything from the background RAM management. All the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. And now let's do the quick speed test between these both devices. So let's start with the first game, which is Asphalt game. So let's see. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 versus Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. Realme GT60 versus OnePlus 11R. And the first phone to open is the Realme GT60 did open slightly faster than the OnePlus 11R. Just a little bit fast, that's not a huge difference. So just 1 second difference is there. So next game, let's try to open the PUBG Mobile game. So we'll try to see the PUBG Mobile game. So which phone will be able to open this particular game faster? Seems like the OnePlus 11R is opening slightly faster. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. As you can see guys, so which did open slightly fast in the OnePlus 11R when you compare it with the Realme GT60. So now let's go with the next game, which is a FIFA game. So it's kind of very neck to neck between the both processors, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and the 7 Plus Gen 3. And seems like the OnePlus did open in this speed test. So let's start with the next game. So these are the small games, Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 and the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So 8 Plus Gen 1 did open slightly faster again, just a little bit fast. Is a Temple Run game. You can see most of the games they are able to open slightly faster in the OnePlus 11R when you compare with the Realme GT60. So this time both phones were able to open exactly at the same time. So slightly faster in the OnePlus device. So let's go to the next game, which is a Jetpack Joyride game. When this game also seems like opening faster in the OnePlus 11R device, as you can see guys. In the Realme GT60 it's still taking some time to open the game. So next is the Crossy Roads. Even the Crossy Road game also slightly better I think in the OnePlus 11R. So most of the games they were able to open slightly better in the OnePlus 11R than the Realme GT60. That's just a little bit different, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 versus Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. That's not a huge difference, just a little bit difference is there between this both of the processors. So this game did open slightly fast in the Realme GT60. So overall at this moment I did open all of these games in the background RAM management, as you can see guys. So most of the games were there. So now let's check the RAM management how it is between the both devices by opening all the games one by one. So what are the games are open. So we'll try to see how far both phones can actually store in the RAM management. So let's see. The Candy Crush game is closed in the Realme device, but it's open in this OnePlus 11R device. Temple Run game is also closed but open here. OnePlus 11R. So FIFA game is closed in both phones. So overall the Realme was able to store only few games, but PUBG game is there. That's kind of shocking to see anyway. And Asphalt game is also closed. So this is a quick speed test and RAM management test comparison guys between these both phones. So in case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Signing off and bye.